Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is FAZALIANA ZAMZURI from Polytechnic Tuanku Istana Bahiyah, Kulim High Tech Park, Kedah. I will present a research paper with ID IMAC 2024-03-27 and the title is Effects of Kinesthetic Learning Approach Using Moment Keyboard. The kinesthetic learning is focused on learning through movement. Individuals who practice this type of learning needs concrete materials to help them remember information. They also love touching objects because they enjoy experience that provide a realistic hands-on understanding. Kinesthetic learners believe that they can learn effectively through movement, touch, and hands-on work. Because of this, they will perform their best when given assignments that involve these methods. Kinesthetic learning differs from auditory and visual learning, which have received the most attention in a university setting. Ardun, Budry, and Clavas 2002, Mobley and Fisher 2014. Rather than lecturing or showing videos, instructors use the kinesthetic learning approach to engender student involvement by touching, moving, and interacting with their environment. Wagner and Drago 2004. The Moment Keyboard (MKB) is an innovative project aimed at enhancing teaching and learning technique for engineering students at Polytechnic, specifically to deepen their understanding of the topic moment of force in engineering science course. By using this innovation, students can accurately determine the perpendicular distance d of force to the center of gravity x. It also aims to improve students' proficiency in accurately answering questions related to the application of moment of force. According to statistics obtained from Engineering Science DBS 101-2 text, 39.3% and 61.1% of students failed in the exam in Session 1 2022-2023 and Session 2 2021-2022 respectively. The test questions were analysed and it was discovered that most students each semester struggle to answer the third question, which pertains to moment of force. Despite teachers' best effort, traditional learning methods like chalk and talk can cause disorientation and weak understanding. The objective of this study are: first, to examine the effectiveness of kinesthetic learning approach using moment keyboard on student perspective toward cognitive and psychological. Second, to observe students' academic performance through the assessment of tests. Mr. Bates, 1992, described effective learning is indicating attitude of awareness, interest, attention, concern, and responsibility. Lewis 2012 have identified two learning styles, visual and kinesthetic learning style. According to Al-Azilina and Hassana 2021, kinesthetic refers to activity learning through the movement and tactical refer to learning through touch. Cognitive effects refer to the ways in which this type of learning impact cognitive processes. Student perspective towards psychological effects take to behavior, motivation, and self-confidence. According to Motivelli, Prevent and Michelle 2020, motivation is a psychological term where it stems from the desire of wanting something and give fuel as a drive to continue pursuing the desire. Self-confidence is more broadly defined as one's belief in their abilities to learn, perform, and complete a task, which is usually based on experience or evidence. Fenema and Sherman, 1976. Methodology. This study employs a qualitative method, specifically through semi-structured interviews. The interview method was chosen because it allows the researchers to gain insight from respondents. The result of the interviews conduct found that the effectiveness of kinesthetic learning approach using moment keyboard on students' perspective toward cognitive and psychological assessment result revealed the impact of observation and academic performance. First, cognitive effect by level of understanding. 3 respondents admitted that moment keyboard allows students to physically manipulate components, leading to a deeper understanding of moment of force through hands-on experience. Then, cognitive effect by problem-solving skill. Respondents respond that they can apply thinking skill, communication, and cooperating in teamwork. Second, psychological effect through motivation. The result of this study revealed that respondents admitted the hands-on approach of the moment keyboard makes learning more engaging and enjoyable, which can lead to increased motivation and a positive attitude toward problem solving. From the respondent perspective, kinesthetic learning approach instilled self-confidence in the moment of force. These aspects include engaging and repetitive movement, hands-on opportunities to practice with manipulative, and prioritization of class and group work. It's not surprising that students' self-confidence increased regarding using moment keyboards. Academic performance, test score, and quality of assignment. Figure 5 shows the analysis graph of the test result of 12 students who score greater than 50% and less than 50% and use the moment keyboard as a kinesthetic learning approach. The analysis found that 83% of students score greater than 50% achievement, while 17 of the students make mistake in the calculation, although correctly determined D. The result is much better compared with previous session. Effective learning methods are needed to strengthen understanding of the subject being studied. Therefore, the use of the moment keyboard promotes kinesthetic teaching and learning. As a result of the study, through interviews, respondents agree that the level of understanding increased better compared to traditional learning. Students can improve problem solving because it involves touching objects, translating from question to reality, and easily solving moment of the force question with the use of MKB and moment apps. After the kinesthetic learning approach adaptation in the classroom, the enthusiasm to learn is high and more focused, motivated, confident, and excellent in the test mark. Moment keyboard and apps. First picture is home menu. Second, select a question. After that, determine and fill distance D after using moment keyboard. At the above picture is a moment keyboard, and below picture is calculation and result using force moment method by using moment keyboard. In summary, this study investigates the effect of kinesthetic learning approach using the moment keyboard on the topic of the moment of force, as studied by engineering students at Malaysian Polytechnic who were enrolled in an engineering science course. This study revealed the students gained a deeper understanding, enhanced their problem-solving skill when solving the moment of force. In addition, the study found that kinesthetic learning approach was more attractive and enjoy learning in class. Kinesthetic learning approach enhanced the motivation and self-confidence among students more than conventional method. Based on the experience, kinesthetic learning approach is a part of the learning style for future impact, and moment keyboard can be modeled at other institutions of Polytechnic as well effectively.